Hello parents and students, hope everybody had a nice weekend. Here's the homework for the week of January 30th to the 6th of February. So it's going to be a little bit different this week. We're going to be reviewing consonants, and we're going to be adding some French, interesting French syllables. So the first one we're going to be looking at this week is O avec I, so O with I, and it kind of sounds like wa in English. So practice the sound wa, 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 wa. Practice reading and writing the syllables. Bois, quoi, doigt, foi, gua, joie, quoi, loi, moi, which is actually a word, noix, pois, quoi, which is also a real word, roi, which is also a real word, means king, soit, toi, which is also another word, voi, wa, is wa. So in learning these syllables, putting those things, the consonants with the syllable together, we're already learning a lot of words. And you can, if it's easier for you to use the table instead of the syllables that are there, you feel free to link it up together. B avec wa, zi, bois. C avec wa, zi, quoi. D avec wa, zi, doigt. F avec wa, zi, foi. G avec wa, zi, gua. J avec wa, zi, joie. K avec wa, zi, quoi. L avec wa, zi, loi. M avec wa, zi, moi. N avec wa, zi, noix. P avec wa, zi, pois. Q avec wa, zi, quoi. S avec wa, zi, soit. T avec wa, zi, toi. V avec wa, zi, voix. W avec wa, zi, wa. Z avec wa, zi, zoi. Vous pouvez pratiquer les syllabes, lire et écrire les syllabes à la maison. So again, you can make it a game where you point and your child says the word or the syllable, or you can practice using these for a dictée at home where you say it and your child writes it, or your child can just read them out loud for fun. Let's go over them. Bois, foi, doigt, quoi, gua, loi. Quoi, joie, moi, roi, quoi, noix. Soit, pois, voi, toi, wa. And here are some of the words we can make with the syllables and the consonants we're studying this week, and also ones we've learned in previous weeks. We have the word voici, poire, joie, which is a syllable for practice, and then another word, soir. So remember, for reading, keep reading at home every day, so you can read the books that your child brings home that they write, the story of the week, or one of the two books that your child has selected for that week. Once a week, please pick one book to write a reading response about, and just answer one of the questions in the reading response and make a drawing. So it shouldn't be a long, tedious work. It's just to let me know that your child has read the book, and it gives them a little bit of extra practice writing. We are still working on, actually we just finished our 2D unit and we're going into our 3D shapes unit starting this week. It's a bit of a short week because we had a lot of, we had the sail, we had a jump rope for heart presentation, and we're having a science world presentation tomorrow. So we're just going to get really started on it this week. Yeah, so you can look forward to hearing the new vocabulary for that. I'll probably provide something about that next week once we get a little bit more started. Here are some of the important dates. So the Science World presentation is on Wednesday afternoon. So it's kind of like an in-school field trip that's being funded by our field trip fund. Don't forget, on Friday is the Pack Pizza Hot Lunch. So if you order pizza, you don't need to pack a lunch, just a snack. On Friday, February 9th, hopefully we'll be here for the Multicultural Assembly. I'm not sure what time it's at, but they might give us a choice. Otherwise, for sure, we're still going to go to the pond, and make sure you dress for the weather. If it's raining, we still go. So I just want to make sure everybody has boots and a good coat that's waterproof. And then you can have a look at Who's Friend of the Day next week. Thank you all for listening. Have a great week.